Okay guys, so we're gonna make a woodpecker pecking a tree. So first we need a backdrop like forest. Now we need something that looks like woodpecker. Token looks like woodpecker. Now we need the tree. Tree. And choose this tree. I think this tree is small. Let's increase the size to 1 by 0. I think 250. I think this is better. Now, when green flag clicked, forever, let's put the costume, switch to touch can C and switch to touch can B. Now let's duplicate and we listen like 0.28. Now let's do on this 2.28. Now let's do this. Now let's see. Okay. Now let's duplicate this one, then put it back. Now, when green flag clicks forever, then the bee needs to be here. Let's also duplicate this. What? Okay. Now let's see. Now let's put this one here. Now let's see. Now let's add the pecking sound. Let's go to sounds and see if there's something that makes a pecking sound. Peck. Effects. Jump. I think let's change jump. And I think let's like record sound. Okay, where's the record option? Oh, here. Okay, allow this time. I think record. Oops, re-record. I think let's change. Let's name this one packing. Now I think faster, louder. I think that's okay. One green. Let's calculate this one and put it back. One green flag left forever. Wait for 2 seconds. Now let's calculate it. Now let's start unpacking. Now let's see. Okay, so that's it. Thanks for watching.